Father, you have promised, as Psalm 12 verse 6 declares, the words of the Lord are pure words, like silver refined in a furnace, purified 7 times. Thank you for the purity and power of your word. While men's promises may fail, yours never do. Strengthen everyone praying along right now. Remind them that your words spoken over their lives will come to pass. All that you have promised, healing, provision, peace, and protection, will be fulfilled in your perfect timing. Lord, we ask that you guard our hearts from discouragement. When negativity surrounds us, help us to speak words of life. Let truth flow from our lips. Let kindness replace bitterness. Let faith silence fear.